Outside edge found. And that will race away for 4. Wicketkeeper quite confident with the appeal. Isaiah Thorne. That's a classy stroke through that cover region.
High elbow, excellent head position, stable base.
And again, this is fine batting by Benkenstein. Much better length, but this pitch is so good you can hit through the line, as we saw on that occasion. Gone for the big shot. Falls short of Isaiah Thorne.
The fielding has not been the best, and this is what field setting can do to a batter. The captain was frustrated, he went for the shot.
Cleaned him up.
Why would you do that? You are 22 of 3 overs. You have been hitting it so well, playing with a straight bat.
This is another classy stroke. 11 or 12 dot deliveries. That's 4.
He has got 2 fielders on the leg side, but it was not a well-directed shot delivery.
That's a fine stroke.
Not an easy shot to play.
Sumptuous looking stroke. Sumptuous indeed. That's a beauty. Real beauty from Nazir.
Pays off. The captain has given him the 3rd over in the power play. Rolls his finger. A little change of pace there. Totally deceived Daniel Ibrahim, who was looking really good. Just look at that cutter. Takes the off stump.
That's a boundary. That's more convincing. Again, 1 bounce.
Shot earlier on the over was premeditated. Ball not in the place to play that shot. And that's why it didn't work out so well.
Catch it is the call. It's high in the air. That will take some catching. 2 coming under it. That's a good effort.
Now he's tried desperately to get there. It's unfortunate. Nicely played once again.
That shout is good. He's given him.
Well behind the line.
Yeah, that looks pretty, Jason. It straightens up a bit. Out. Masood scores 20 of 14 deliveries, and the 3rd wicket is down. Captain comes down, and he's had enough. He hits that maximum, very straight, very safe, and it's a good connection.
Cannot adjust according to what the batsman's decided to do. Got to the pitch and hasn't even tried to force it. Just picked it up beautifully.
Arafat Minhas has played this one really well.
Slapped away on the offside.
Provided by the spinner to Arafat Minhas. And he's got a very good reach against the spinners.
That's what he's looking for. So he can pick it up and hit it out the park for a 6.
That swivel and good timing for maximum.
In the last 5 overs, 50 or 60 maybe.
And that's a bad delivery. Arafat Minhas this time with the boundary.
Yeah, and again, isn't it? It's early on in the over. Get the boundary. Put the pressure back on the bowler. Exactly what I'm talking about with mid-off up. And that length, it's going to run away for a 4.
Goes over mid-off and brings up the 50 partnership for Gwadar shots.
Bowled. Oh, again, you see, not easy for a keeper, but it should just be a dot ball.
He did have a hand on it, kind of slowed it down, but not enough to save the boundary.
Beautiful shot to bring up his half century. And a 50 for Shamil off 39 balls, 5 fours, 2 sixes.
And what a good shot to bring up his 50. Straight down the ground.
Right, now they've changed the field. They're listening. They're listening to Asana. Slower ball. This is going to run away. What an over this is for the Sharks. 16 from it.
Clubbed away. Not strong enough, but put down.
It's Ross Wood. Now, the reaction from the batsman when he hit it was as if it's gone all the way. Ross Wood, he's got himself in a perfect position.
Went with the reverse cup. Yet again, it's a free hit, so... Couple runs.
It's really good running. Lovely to see the dive. Look at that. Darren Ganga.
Clipped away and will beat that fielder deep backward square to his left.
Spinners.
That's hammered. And done it quite well.
Looks like he's tried a slow ball bouncer, but the length isn't right. He's tried to roll the fingers down it.
That's in the gap. That's 4 more.
There was a backward point. He was on the boundary. They brought him up and they've taken the mid-on back to long on where that 6 was hit.
Oh, how unfortunate. First.
Wide of the keeper. Boundary early on in the over. And just 8 runs required now and 11 balls. Because of him that they're batting so well.
That should go all the way. Nope. Into the hands of the fielder. And 4 short of a victory for his side.
I'll be disappointed. He's just looking to go up and over the man at 45, and it's hit the toe end of the bat that he didn't manage to see the team through, but he goes for a well-made 87. Gwadar Sharks, 179 for 4.
On the track, catch it is a cry, and the catch is taken. So, is there a twist in the tail?
Come down the wicket, looking to go up and over the long on. He sliced it more than actually making full contact with the face of the blade.
Straight to the field. There might be a run out. Maybe he stepped on his stumps. Quite interesting. Ball went to point. And evidence there that it's the wicket keeper dislodging the bails. Confirmation of the batter being not out. Yep, there it comes. In the gap, and that's victory. Victory for Gwadar Sharks. They've played magnificently with the bat, and they've conquered this chase. Second win in a row for this wonderful side.